not about being good. We're just having
A good time. After some much-needed rest at the horse farm, we packed up and hit the road, continuing our journey east. Oh, we're careening down the mountain.
They'll only go to 60, I promise.
They look very, very salty.
Here's what happened.
Our next stop was Wilcox, Arizona, where we found a cozy little harvest host spot.
Steak and chicken. Beautiful sunset. And the darkness is exploring. It's being a wild kitty Woody. I don't trust her.
The first night we parked out in the lot, but with a little luck, we snagged a real campsite for night number 2.
What day is it?
It's Taco Tuesday! Ooh, whose school bus is that? That is a pretty cool bus. I like your bus.
I guess that's Robert. And that must be his wife. There's a horseshoe chainmail. It's a fantastic stand. Center of a tree. My old Ford truck had one of these mounted on the front bumper. You got stagecoach safe.
Stop him. Any help.
Oh, my toes say that they do. Fire pit. Sheltered cook area.
The place had an Old West saloon vibe, and while we missed out on taco night, we still made the most of it with a fun game of billiards and a cold drink or two.
Try to get that. So I would just go ahead and hit the purple, and then knock them around as best you can.
Just knock them around?
Yep. Eventually, we'll break it up enough to where you get something you can.
I can't even do the ball. That's not fair.
Right, do it again.
I am not good at this.
Oh, it's not about being good. We're just having a
good time. Alright, I actually hit the ball this time. Good thing I'm not on a pool team. I made a shot! Yay!
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Go ahead. Try one more time. Hit something else.
I suck at this game. So you win.
Whoa, you're so far away. Now we can celebrate with mozzarella sticks.
Okay. The next morning, we headed towards Texas, choosing a quieter route closer to the Mexican border. It was peaceful, scenic, and way less hectic than the highway. Pieces of Trump's wall hanging out on the ground over there. Yeah. That night, we found ourselves at another awesome Harvest Host location, just outside El Paso. Taco bus? Taco bus. Is that the taco bus? What is the taco bus?
It's El Tiger Taco Bus.
Hell yeah. Maybe. Woohoo! We met some new friends, Jim and Val, and ended the night swapping stories over dinner and drinks.
Got a busy day, you know.
Yeah, we gotta drive.
Yeah.
We have no destination today.
Stressful day.
By morning, we shared one last chat and a few laughs
It
with Jim and Val
starts.
before pulling out and hitting the road once again.
Things are dripping.
Just another reminder that the journey is just as sweet as the destination.
So we've been driving for an hour. And this is our rest stop. We're somewhere in Texas. There's graffiti over there. There's my love over there. Checking her oil.
Add one person.
See how it goes. I think we're going downhill from here. So that's good.